Dark thunder clouds came rolling through the sky. Then the heavens light up by the lightning all around. Soft start the thunder and grow to a deafening roar. With a puff, puff, the first raindrops hit the ground. All the heavens were torn open with fury and fire. The thunder grew worse and the trees start to shiver. The raindrops change to masses of pouring water, and the small little stream turn into a mighty river. Lightning struck a lovely old weeping willow tree. The big and proud old branches were torn apart. In the pouring rain, the old giant fell to the ground, and a big red flames reached to heaven from its heart. A bright ray of sunshine breaks through the clouds. The pouring rain stops, the streams flow to the sea. The sunshine lights up the bright blue cloudless sky. The only evidence, the wreck of the punished